Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c colon, then hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c colon -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.